Hi! In front of me is TCL 306, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Notice Notifications, scroll down again and tap on Manage App Notifications. Then select an app from which you want to block notifications from, like Amazon Shopping. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher. You can also tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!